So you want to take measurements with the vernier caliper. You see that there are two scales. You have the bigger one, which is the major scale. You have the smaller one, which is the minor scale. Now your reading is going to be the reading on the major plus the reading on the minor. Now if you look at your major scale, you have is between 2 and 3. Now the reason I'm saying is between 2 and 3 is because that's where your minor scale is starting. Your minor scale is between 2 and 3, so that means that your measurements cannot go beyond those 2 points. So that means that you're having 2, then you have 2.1, then you have 2.2. So you're going to say 2.2 plus. Now you take the remaining reading on the minor scale. Now how do you know when to cross to the minor scale? You cross to the minor scale when you get to the minor scale. So you see 2.1, you have not gotten to the minor scale, so you don't cross. 2.2, you have not gotten to the minor, you have gotten to the minor scale, then you cross downward. So you can't count 2.3 because that 2.3 is already within the minor scale. So you are supposed to take the measurement from the minor scale and no longer from the major scale. So you have 2.1, 2.2. Your minor scale has started, so the remaining reading will be from the minor scale. Now look at this. This is 2.2. This is your minor scale is between 2.2 and 2.3. So automatically your answer will also be within that range. The answer is going to be between 2.2 and 2.3. So what are we going to do? You count how many divisions that you have here. Now when you are counting the number of divisions here, you make sure you stop where you have a line on the major scale aligning with a line on the minor scale, which is at this particular point. That's where you stop counting. So you say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we have 9 divisions. Now do we just add 9 to this? No. If you add 9 to it, it's going to exceed this limit. It's going to be what? 11.2. Do you divide this by 10? No, we don't divide this by 10, because if you divide it by 10 and add it, you have 2.2 plus 0.9, that's 3.1. You still exceed this limit. So what do? You divide this by 100. So this is going to be 2.2 plus 0.09, and our answer will be what? 2.29 centimeters. So that is what our final answer for this first one. Now for the second one, now in some cases it's possible that here we can see that this is 3. Now in some cases they will just erase this part. We just erase this part, then ask you to take the measurement. So how do you go about it? Now if you look at this one, this is what? That means this is, you count backward. This is 4, this will be 3.9, and this will be what? 3.8. So your answer will be 3.8 something, because it's between 3.8 and 3.9. That's when your minor scale is starting. So your answer will be 3.8 something plus. Now you count this 1 2 3 4 5. This is where you stop, where they align. Although they also align at this point, but you stop at the first alignment. So the first alignment is 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 5. So come here, you say 5 over 100. So our answer will be what? 3.85 centimeters. So this is what this is going to these are the steps that we are going to follow if we want to take the measurement of a vernier caliper. So it is very easy to take.